Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can add pronouns to Zoom. So, in order to do that, you have to visit an official Zoom website or go for the Zoom web portal, since an app will not unfortunately allow you to do that. The Zoom web portal is at zoom.us. After that, make sure to log into your Zoom account by opening this sliding window, tapping on these three vertical lines, and in here you'll have the sign in or sign up options. Then go into your account. At this little drop down menu, make sure that the profile section is chosen. Then find your Zoom name and tap on the edit button, and in here, if you'll scroll the page down a little, you'll find the field that allows you to enter your pronouns. So let's say he, him. Then you can choose how the Zoom will share your pronouns. The options are, as you can see, as follows. So that would be pretty much it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. Do not forget to save your changes, or actually before that you have to choose the pronouns visibility mode. Then you can save the changes, and that would be definitely it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.